Think math.
97, 98, 99. So, what comes next? 100. Whoa! 2 digits changed all at once, from 99 to 100. Why does that happen? The secret is where each number lives, its place. Let's count with blocks. 9 plus 1 more makes 10, but the one's place can only hold up to 9. When it reaches 10, it's full, so we bundle those 10 together and move the bundle to the next place. We call it 110. Now 19. That's 110 and 9 ones. Add 1 more, and the ones reach 10 again. Bundle it and move it over. Now there are 2 10s. 2 10s make 20. And the ones place is empty, so we write a 0. Now the tricky one. 99 plus 1. The ones reach 10, so bundle and move. But now the 10s are 10 too. The 10s place is full as well. So we bundle 10 10s into one bigger group and move again. Like dominoes, place after place tips over, and 100 is born. There is just one rule. Every place holds up to 9. When it's full, bundle and carry 1 to the next place. Thanks to this promise, even huge numbers fit in just a few digits. And this is the seed of carrying, what we later call regrouping. The secret to bigger numbers is their place. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.